today we will be talking about the history of Cebu. But before we begin, let me just introduce myself. I am Cherry Mabonida, but you can call me Cherry, and I am your tour guide for today. So, Cebu is one of the Philippines' most historically significant islands, known for its rich and diverse history. Cebu has a long history dating back to the pre-colonial era when it was inhabited by indigenous peoples such as the Cebuano and other Visayan groups. The island was ruled by various chieftains, the most famous of whom was Raja Humabon. He is a central figure in the arrival of Spanish explorers in the 16th century. On March 16, 1521, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan arrived in Cebu on his expedition to circumnavigate the globe. Well, Magellan arrived in Cebu on April 7, 1521. Magellan and his crew first reached the Philippines on March 16, 1521. After Magellan's death in a battle with local chieftain Lapu-Lapu on nearby Mactan Island, Spanish forces, led by Sebastian Elcano, continued their exploration and colonization of the Philippines. In 1565, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi established a Spanish settlement in Cebu, making it the first permanent European settlement in the Philippines. Cebu served as the Spanish colonial capital of the Philippines from 1565 to 1571 when the Spanish moved their capital to Manila. It remained an important regional center. During the late 19th century, Cebuano revolutionaries played a significant role in the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. During World War II, Cebu, like other parts of the Philippines, was occupied by Japanese forces. It saw significant battles and suffering during this period. The Philippines gained independence from the United States in 1946, and Cebu became an integral part of the newly independent nation. Cebu has since become a major economic and cultural hub in the Philippines. It is known for its vibrant local culture, beautiful beaches, and historical landmarks including Magellan's Cross and Fort San Pedro. So, that's it for today guys. I hope you've learned a lot. Thank you and goodbye.